welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this portable blender. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is how it comes boxed. You have, it looks like your lid right here. I love the color. You have your little charger. Pick that up. Then this is the blender itself. So stinking cute. So the awesome thing about this is you can take it with you on the go. So if you work in an office or something like that, you can easily take this, take protein shakes, take whatever it is that you want to cook in or blend. You can do that. And it comes with this little carrying handle right here. So you can see. Gonna screw it on. And you want to align the arrow with the switch blender like that. And as you can see, that's on and off. So if it's like this, that means it's not aligned. When it's aligned, it'll actually blink green. And then you charge it up right here. So this right here is for this part right here. If after you're done blending, you want to use it as a cup, you can do that. So pretty much you would take this, blend it up. So you take this, blend whatever it is you want up, put this lid on, flip it over, take this off, then you put this on, and then you have your own little cup. But let's go ahead and see what this looks like in use. So I just got my power chain put on my teeth. So my teeth are killing me, so I wanted to make something cold so that maybe it'll help with my pain. So I'm gonna make me a milkshake. Perfect. And that's gonna really help my teeth out. And then if you want to use this as a cup, you're just gonna go like this, flip it over, make sure you get everything out. This to kind of help me. Go like this. And rinse that off. This bottom one. And you're good to go. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.